Hello everyone, this is UV Patel here, and I see you have opted in for Machine Learning Data Science Mastery course, and I will be giving you an insight as to why you should learn data science today and how it is going to change the life of you, your family, and it will change and transform your career. Okay, so first of all, I would like to start with a quote which says that data is the new oil, or data is the new currency. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Now, if you think, let's say 30, 40, 50, maybe 100 years back, it's the oil that has changed the world throughout, right? Whoever owns the oil, whoever controls this, is the king, is the biggest guy in the world, right? At this point in time, in 21st century, data is being perceived as the new oil. Companies are utilizing this data so that they can come up with a better decision. They can target their audience in much better way. They can leverage and competitive edge over their competition in terms of how to target a customer, how to sell their products, right? And that is where data scientists are required. Okay, that is where your role as a data scientist would be involved, right? And hence, whoever owns the data and whoever can find the patterns from the data will be the king in the coming future. Okay, that is why you see Google, Facebook, Amazon, they are investing heavily in terms of tools, in terms of procuring the good talent, right talent, in terms of controlling the data, right? So that's the first thing. Second thing is, a lot of people have myth that data science is very complicated. Data science is something that requires years to learn. To some extent this is true, right? To some extent this is true, because a data science involves skills that is not a general skill. For example, let's say if you are a Java programmer, right? You might need the knowledge of Java programming language itself. To some extent, some data structures that you need to know. But when you want to become a data scientist, okay, you not only require the knowledge of programming but also other stuff. For example, mathematics to some extent, statistics very much required. Probability knowledge you would be requiring. You need programming language experience. You need to have that analytical mindset. There are 7 to 8 skills that you need to know. But the good thing is, you don't have to master each and everything. Okay, you can be jack of all and master of only one. Okay, if you, in those 6, 7, 8 skills that you have, if you can just master one skill and understand rest of the other skills perfectly, right, you will completely gel into this technology. You will perfectly learn this technology and you will be able to implement it. I have seen, I have worked and I have interviewed a lot of people who just have only one command on one thing only. Rest of the things they know, but still they are able to work. They are able to deliver the results, right? And I've worked with them, so I know this works. Okay, and then the third thing that I want to tell you is, a lot of people think that in order to become a data scientist you need to have higher end systems. You need to have a lot of processing power in your machine or stuff like that. I would like to tell you one thing. This was true maybe 4 years, 5 years back, right? When I started up, okay, then there was not much available in the market. Nothing much that was there to help the programmer to learn that skill, okay, because that was new at that point in time. However, now there are a lot of open source tools and technologies provided by the big shot companies like Google, okay, Facebook, which they help the by which they are helping the community, right? They are giving an advantage to all the aspiring data scientists, okay, so that they can try it on the data. They can have they can practice on the data. They can try and come up with a new stuff for so that they can learn things, and then this ecosystem becomes bigger, and then this becomes a bigger thing. Okay, so I would like to point out two very important open source thing that is available in the market to learn and to practice data science. The first one is your Google Colab. Okay, so what do I mean by Google Colab? So Google Colab is a open source cloud platform given by Google, okay, in which you just have to connect from your Gmail account to Google Colab, and you would be able to access GPUs, the high-end servers given by the Google. Okay, you can run your high-end code, something that requires huge processing power, right? That is available for you at free of cost. Okay, so let's say you are working on a very complex problem that requires a lot of power. Your system does not have that power, but don't worry. You don't need to upgrade yourself. You don't need to upgrade your laptop for that matter. Still, you can go ahead and connect to that Google Colab and you can work on it. Okay, and I'll be teaching you in my Google data science mastery course how you can utilize Google Colab so that you can get the best performance and the best results. Okay, the second thing that I want to point out here is Kaggle. Okay, a lot of data scientists that I know, and myself as well, they have learned a lot. When I say a lot, it means a lot from Kaggle. Okay, so what is Kaggle? Kaggle is nothing but a platform where all the data science related competitions are being held. Okay, if you go into Kaggle, you will see a lot of competition which are running. Some of them are already completed, right? So as a new data scientist or aspiring data scientist, what you can probably do is you can go ahead on Kaggle. You can look for a data science project that you are interested in, the problem that you want to solve. You can write your own data science code to understand the data, code to do the classification, regression, clustering, whatever. So what is this clustering, regression, classification? We will be discussing this in the very much detail in the data science mastery course or machine learning mastery course in advanced mastery course as well. So what you can do is you can either write on your own, or what, as if you are a new data scientist or you are a data scientist in the making, what you can do is you can probably refer the code of other data scientists. Okay, how they have written the code, what they are doing, which technology they are using, which technique they are using, and from that you can learn, right? So the path goes this way. Okay, you learn the skills that you require to become a data scientist, and that's where my role comes in. I would be giving you hand holding in terms of which technology, which tools to use, okay, how they work, what is the working behind the scenes, and how you can basically work on the data science pipeline. I'll be explaining all the classification algorithms, all the regression algorithms, all the clustering algorithms, all the advanced concepts, basic concepts, and everything right from the scratch, right from zero till the end. I'll be explaining you everything. Okay, then once you learn that, or while you are learning, you can probably utilize Kaggle, you can utilize Google Colab in order to master the data science. Okay, and I've seen people who have taken up this course and have given a thorough practice to it. Okay, they were able to learn data science in just 3 months, in just 90 days they were able to do. The numbers here, I mean, these are not actual, right? These folks, they have worked a lot, they have worked very hard, they have dedicated n number of hours in a day to learn this technology. If you allocate that same number of hours, you would be able to achieve the same results. I am guaranteeing you on that part. Okay, so if you have not opted in for the webinar, I would request you to go through the link that I'm giving you here. Okay, register for the webinar, and in this webinar I'll be presenting you live, and it is an exclusive interview, it is an exclusive webinar, and what I would be doing is I would be giving you such tips so that you can learn and master the skills, and you can become the data scientist that the industry requires. The course that I'm be giving you, it is as per the industry norms and the requirement that we have. So on this end, I would like to end this video here. Myself, UV Patel, I've got 10 years of experience in IT, out of which 5 years I've dedicatedly worked on machine learning, data science and artificial intelligence projects. Okay, and I'm a researcher. I have presented a lot of white papers in various international conferences. I'm working as a manager in multinational company. Okay, and I am here to help you guys out. I am here to help the community, because whenever we are hiring people, okay, because whenever we are hiring people, we see a lot of people who say that they are data scientists, but they have do not have the actual knowledge that they require in the market. Okay, they do not have that skill set that is required by the companies. That is where I am here to bridge that gap. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the webinar, and I request you all to at least attend this 1 hour. It's just a 1 hour webinar, very quick, very interesting, very to the point. Okay, and this will transform your life, guys. Okay, this will transform your career, and hence I request you all to join in. So I'll see you guys live in the webinar. Thank you so much.